Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and this is just going to be a quick overview of ConvertBox. Now, I've been using ConvertBox for about 4 or 5 months now, I think. And when I first started using ConvertBox, when I bought it, I wasn't even sure that I had enough traffic on my website that I was going to really be able to make my money back. But I ended up making back the money that I spent on ConvertBox inside the first month. It basically took two sales, two affiliate sales, and ConvertBox helped me make them by triggering pop-ups when people were reading my product reviews that increased my click-through rates from around 1 or 2% to more like 10 or 15%. So it's pretty crazy what you can do with it. That was before I even started gathering an email list, really, because, again, I felt like I didn't have enough traffic. So I wasn't really gathering emails at the time. But since I started doing that, I've easily built a pretty sizable email list with a really high conversion rate. You can see this is kind of my main pop-up right here. Over the last, I guess, 30 days, it's got a 10% conversion rate on it. So that's pretty solid. And then if I look at, like, this is one from a landing page right here. Like that, the other one I showed you was from a pop-up on a blog post. This is a landing page pop-up. It has a 50% conversion rate. And I've got, let's see, so this is where you can go to different websites. So I can have, because I bought the ConvertBox Pro lifetime deal, I can have up to 50 websites on here. I only have a few right now, but if I go to this one, this is a landing page that I'm running ads to right now. It has a 76.47% conversion rate. And it's not a fancy landing page at all. It's just a basic kind of landing page with a button on it. You click the button, ConvertBox opens, and it's converting really well for me. So that's kind of an overview of ConvertBox. Like I said, this is where you can switch between different websites. You can make groups to keep your ConvertBoxes in within each website, and then this is where you create a new one. I'm not going to show how to make one or how to edit one right now. I'll do that in future videos. If you go up here and you can go to your profile, change your details. Installation is where you get the code that you can install on any website. Settings is where you get all the integrations, and you can do a few other things there. And support, you can reach out and contact ConvertBox support. They're very responsive and very helpful. So overall, it's a really great product. I'm going to do a few videos about it. Of course, I'm going to do a ConvertBox review. I'm going to do some tutorials that show how to create high converting ConvertBoxes and how to implement them on different kinds of websites. So stay tuned for that. And but that's going to be about the end of this video. So just give me a like and a subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And I'll be back soon with more ConvertBox related content. Thanks for watching.